One quick thing with the Nissan Leaf is when you're going through a car wash and you want to get this to neutral, you have to hold this over. So normally you click down to drive and you click over and up to reverse. Well, with neutral, you have to hold over until you see this go to N. So anyway, the only reason I know that is because I couldn't figure that out because I didn't read the user's manual, and so I was stuck at a car wash until somebody said, hey, hold it over. So he must have seen this problem before, so you know, there you go. Just hold it over until you see the N, you're good to go.